Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. This video is regarding class 6 mathematics chapter 1 knowing a number by Sarita Dhawan. Student, we have been using Hindu-Arabic numeral system so far. This is not only the system available, one of the early system of writing numerals is the system of Roman numerals. Today in this video we are going to understand about the Roman numerals. At the end of this chapter we learn how to count using Roman numerals. We'll able to read and write the Roman numerals. Where do we see Roman numerals? Clocks, books, movies, timetable, names, Henry VIII, and many more situations are there. Now, what are the numerals? In Hindu-Arabic, we are using 0 to 9. These are total 10 numbers. In whole counting, we are using these numbers only. In Roman, we are using the symbol that are I, V, X, L, C, D, M. These are the 7 Roman numbers or symbols that are basis of whole Roman theory. Let's learn about the Roman numerals. I is 1, V is 5, X is 10, L 50, C 100, D 500, M is equal to 1000. Student, there is not a symbol for 0. This is the drawback of this Roman numeral systems. We can't write simply 0 in the form of Roman. We can write 20, 30, 100, everything, but can't write simply 0. Now, one important condition is here. When we are putting bar on any Roman number or any Roman numeral, it turns into its thousands. Like V bar will become 5000, bar over X will make it 10,000, L bar 50, C bar 100,000, D bar 500,000, and bar on M make it 1 million. Now, conditions for adding Roman numerals. Write down the two numbers you are adding right next to each other. Rearrange the letters so that they start with the largest and end with the smallest. That we need to write the number in decreasing order of the values. Then start combining similar letter. That means if you are writing similar letter together, they are also added up. Check your answer by adding the Arabic numbers. A symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. You can't repeat any number 3 times. If you are writing X is 10, if you are writing 2 times it's 20. If you are writing 3 times it's 30. You can't write 4 times X, you can't make it as 40. But symbols V, L, D are never repeated. Now we are going to start discussing the questions on the basis of that. First is here L, X, I. We need to add addition here. Here L is 50, X is 10, I. These are the 3 I that will become 3. So answer will be a 63. You need to remember here L is 50, X is 10 and 3 times I will make it 3. Second question is here CCL. Again same letter is repeated 2 times. That means addition is there and L is also written in the form of decreasing order. So there must be addition. C is 100, again C is 100, L is 50. So number will become here 250. After that we are going to discuss subtracting Roman numerals. We are going to learn how to subtract the Roman numerals. First important condition is there. It is only applicable when the first symbol is less than the second one. Students, in addition we are writing the numbers in the form of decreasing order, but for subtraction it is the prior condition. First symbol is less than the second one. Few more conditions are here. I can be subtracted from V and X only. That means I come before V or X only. X can be subtracted from L and M and C only. C can be subtracted from D and M only. And last, V, L and D can never be subtracted. They can't be written before any larger number. Now we are going to discuss examples here. First questions here. Write the following Roman numerals as Hindu-Arabic numerals. First part is here CM. Firstly we are writing the value. C is 100, M is 1000. As the value of C is lesser than M, so since C is smaller than M, so C should be subtracted from M. So Cm will become 1000 minus 100 is equal to 900. Answer will be 900. Students, here value of C was lesser than M. That's why it is subtracted from M. Second part we are writing here X, C, V, I. Now firstly we are writing values. X is 10, C is 100, V is 5 and I is 1. Now X is smaller than C, so it should be subtracted, and after that V and I should be added because they are written in the form of decreasing order. XC, it is 100 minus 10, 90. Now XCVI, 90 plus 5 plus 1, it will become 96. 6 is the answer. Next question is here C, D, L, X, V. Here values are C is 100, D is 500, L 50, X 10 and V is equal to 5. Now again C is lesser than D. So C should be subtracted from D. Then L, X and V should be added because they are written in the form of decreasing order. So CD will become 500 minus 100, 400. CD, L, X, V. It is 400 plus 50 plus 10 plus 5. 465 will be the answer. M, D, C, L, I, V. Firstly, we are writing the values for that. M is 1000, D is 500, C is 100, L 50, V is 5 and I is equal to 1. Now, I is smaller than V. So, I should be subtracted. Rest are written in the form of decreasing. They must be added. So, M, D, C, L, I, V. M is 1000, D is 500, C is 100, L is 50 and I, V. I should be subtracted from V, that is 5 minus 1. It will become 1650 plus 4. 1654 will be the answer. Hindu-Arabic to Roman numeral. This is the next step. Earlier we have written Roman to Hindu-Arabic. Now we are writing Hindu-Arabic to Roman numerals. Here first question is 73. Firstly we will write in the form of addition. We will split the term. 73 will become 70 plus 3. 70 still further can be written as 50 plus 20 plus 3. Now 50, 20 can split further. 10 plus 10 plus 3. Now we are writing the value 50 is L, 10 is X, 3 is 3 times I. So number will become here L, X, X, 3 times I. Next is 92. Firstly we will write in the form of addition. It's 90 plus 2. Further we will split. Now 90 can be written as 100 minus 10. We can't write 50 plus 40 because for 40 we can't repeat X 4 times. It will 100 minus 10 plus 2. Subtraction, smaller number come first. 100 is C, 10 is X, 2 is 2 times I. For writing 90 it will be XC. X is smaller than C, so it should be subtracted. XC 2 times I will be the answer. Next is 69. 69 firstly we split 60 plus 9. That is 50 plus 10. For 9 we'll write 10 minus 1. A minus 1 means 1 should be subtracted from 10. That means I should be subtracted from X. For subtraction, smaller number come first than the larger one. 50 is L, 10 is X, I is equal to 1. 69 will become L, X, I, X. We can write 1984. M, firstly we'll split 1000 plus 900 plus 80 plus 4. 1000 is M. For 900 we'll write C before M. For subtraction, 80 is L, 3 times X will become 84 IV. Combining the number we'll get MC, ML, triple X, IV. This is 1984. After the student, I am giving you homework. You need to try few questions and write the table for that. This is the Roman number table. Write this table in your notebook. And from here you can do practice for the Roman numbers also. These questions are for practice. Here Hindu-Arabic numbers are given. You need to write in the form of Roman numerals. Next, Roman numerals are given to you. You need to write in the form Hindu-Arabic system. Thank you, students.